Hello, everyone. Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So, welcome to this month's collab with Poetspice. So, this month it is titled Autumn Gratitude. All of the participants, their links will be in the description bar below. So, we're going to be focusing on my interpretation of just being grateful during this month of November. So like I said, all of the lovely lady links, everyone who's participating, their links will be in the description bar below. I'm sure there are going to be some giveaways along the way. So you guys just watch us, rate, comment, and subscribe, and join in on the fun. All right, everybody. So I am back for this week's collab video, and I was trying to find some things. I know I got some more fall stuff. For some reason I feel like I have no fall, but I know I do. So as I was going through all my stuff, I came across this Tonic Craft Kit number 12. It's the Hello Autumn Shaker Kit, and this is what came in it. So that's what I'm gonna pull out today, and I'm just gonna show you what's in here. Then I'll come back and show you what I made. So this is a my special gift was this 6x6 cards and punch out that you can use like with their watercolors and stuff. So here's all of these on here that can be colored and punched out. The envelopes. And these are I think they all the same. Well, no, they're not all the same. But you can see they already have the foil. And so all you have to do is just color them up or keep them the same. But they did say on the pack you can use watercolor. This is the dies and stamps. This Lots of Love and Hello Autumn. And then it has the shaker. That part and that part to make shakers. They also supplied 5 shaker inserts. Which is great. We got this embossing powder, sequence, the Nouveau crystal drops, as well as the dimensional vanilla milkshake that makes dimensionals. And then this is a gold shimmer pen that actually dries and leaves a gold effect. That is so pretty. So what I'm probably gonna do is just go back and watch their design team's videos and pull from that. So we got this gold piece, that piece, that gold foil. I love Tonic card. Look at that. Like the leaves already embossed. That is absolutely stunning. This piece and these 2 pieces right here. So I'll come back and show you guys what I made. Like I said, I'm probably just going to take inspiration from them because I am struggling with the autumn colors for some reason. I think because I'm still in Christmas mode. I'm almost certain that's why. Okay, everybody. I am back some weeks later. I can't remember what I said in the last clip, but I struggled with just using what was in the kit. So let me show you what I added. This Taylor Expression background, simply background set. And then I used the dies to cut them out. These 2 dies. I also used this old K & Company specialty paper pad. It's like really old. So I used this pad right here. And because I just needed some papers. And I got this from back when I know I've had this, like I said, it's years old, but I used to, we don't have a Joann's here, and I used to drive to Joann's for different sales. But when I got the job I have now, I know for the last 3 years, I haven't been, 3 to 4 years, I haven't been to Joann's because it's so far away. And when you drive for a living, you just do not have the strength to drive for anything else when you drive and do what I do for a living. So I made 3 different size cards. The first one is this one. This is a 5x5 card. I had to think. 5x5 card, so you can see where I used the papers from K and Company, my jute from May Arts, and I used the enamel dots, the little this right here to make the dots, and I used that leaf paper to cut out the leaf, and then the other paper to cut out that leaf, and just says Hello Autumn. That's the inside. Okay, that is the first one. The second one that I made is 5.5 by 5.5 inch card, and my dots are still wet. And so I used this, and I used the shaker that came with it to make a shaker card. And this was in the, this paper was in the kit, and of course the shaker and the other papers came from that K and Company. Now my sequence mix, I used some from Tonic. They provided this, so I used that, but all the rest came from Dollar Tree and what's the other sequin place that we buy a lot of sequins from? Cartwright. And so I have butterflies in there, big old sequins, small, clear, all kind of colors. And I love that. Not put a sentiment, you are so loved. And that's the inside of that card, because I doubt if I get a chance to mail it out before the fall season leave, and I can use it at any time. So I needed universal sentiments. And then the last one that I made was this A2 card. And so I made a mistake with cutting this out. I was trying to cut the shell to cover the adhesive from the shaker, and I cut it out wrong. So instead of me throwing away the 2 pieces, I decided to make another card, A2, and just stagger them. And I used both of the drops that was in the kit on the card, and it just says so grateful for you. And they still wet because they hadn't been 24 hours yet. And that's the inside. So I hope you guys like my 3 cards, 5x5, 5.5, and then a 2. And this was a fun collab. This is our last Monday for the autumn collab. Make sure you check out the other lovely ladies and see what they created for your viewing pleasure, and to crank out some fall theme projects. And so I am back on the Christmas train again. Y'all know I can do it year round. I love it so much. All right, you guys. So I'll be back with another video. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.